We just stopped scrolling with the finger. Go back now.
This time we have a cockroach.
Josh said the ferry goes in 2 minutes. I think probably the cats are blowing off. I do have a backup plan in case there are any mishaps with catching the bus. We are in a bit of a rush this morning, but this is us saying bye to our Airbnb in Perth. We have really enjoyed it, so we're very sad to go, but we're really excited to get to Sydney. We're just in the middle of our journey to Sydney and we've actually gone via Melbourne, so we're just in Melbourne airport now. We had to pay for oversized baggage, which to be fair wasn't super expensive. Some airlines really charge you loads if you don't have the right weight, but our allowance on the way out here was 25 kilograms. Ended up with 27 kilograms. It was really cool flying into Melbourne. It was super green, way greener than Perth. We've had such a good time in Perth. I can't even tell you, it's been the perfect first chapter. Lots of things happening in Sydney. Christmas and New Year are coming up. I think the next 2 weeks are going to be a little bit crazy, so I think it's going to be a bit go, go, go. Watch this space. Let's try and find it.
This way.
Okay. So this is our new place.
Oh, this is great.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's great. I need a week. I'm sorry.
No, you're good. So this is great. So this is a lot more space. We're doing, a sublet. So this is someone's apartment and we're subletting it while they're away at Christmas and New Year. So the finish is as nice as our last place, because that was like an Airbnb, so it was a bit more top notch. I don't know if it's any cheaper, but obviously places in Sydney are very hard to come by and very expensive, so I'm very lucky to get this. And it's a lot more space, 2 bedrooms, so we have actually talked about maybe sleeping apart for a couple of nights, because we do that sometimes at home just so that we get a good night's sleep. So this is going to be home for Christmas and New Year. So we literally got there, dropped our bags off. It's like dark here, so we've gone forward 2 or 3 hours. I think it actually might be 3 hours, so we're sort of even more ahead of the UK now. A bit problematic when you're trying to talk to family, but first things first, we need food. So we've sort of had a bit of lunch. I've had a bagel, Josh has had a couple of bits, so we're doing a shop, and I think we'll just try and get ourselves out a bit again. Although I kind of want to have a look into if Coles does delivery. I've also just seen an Uber Eats bicycle go past, so might have to start having a look at what Uber Eats does. Initial thoughts as we're driving through, and we kind of obviously already knew this, but Perth's known for being really hot, a very small city. Immediately driving through Sydney as we came to Rose Bay, way busier, way bigger, and also we've been warned about the humidity, and it does definitely feel a lot more humid. So excited to see it in the daylight though.
Here we are again. House number 2. This time we have a cockroach. Quite a big one. And he just charged me.
Have you ever really dealt with cockroaches before,
No.
Josh? No.
Never.
So we're actually trying to catch it in a cup, which obviously with a cockroach is really hard because they're so fast.
I have a tumbler now, like a cardboard one, so hopefully I can...
Right, off you go then.
Were you going to pick the towel up and I'll go? Or do you want to catch? Don't do it too aggressively. We'll be ready. I'm not saying don't be ready. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. Put it back down.
The museum?
I'd love to.
I actually hate museums.
That is so cool.
Okay, so we're currently in H&M. We are having a gorgeous time around Sydney, but there is one Revo gym around the Sydney area, which is the gym that we have a membership to. It's not convenient for where we're staying, but we just haven't been to the gym in ages, so we're going to get... Anyway, we're trying to find it. We believe it's on level 5 of this building. You've joined us kind of, say, halfway through the search, so there has been a lot of searching for this moment, including going in H&M twice.
Where's the gym? Where?
Keep fingers crossed for us, guys. So it looks like we've gone too far. Back
Where's
down.
the gym?
We found it. Here we go. Josh said the ferry goes in 2 minutes, so we're just running down. We haven't got to wait till the next one. I think it's this one. Wharf 2. I'm coming!
We made it.
Okay, we got on. So we're just on a ferry going back to Rose Bay, and this is the ferry basically on the end of our road, and it comes straight into the middle of Sydney. What an amazing commute. I just want to say that on the way in, I was just gobsmacked how stunning it is. Like, look at this. It's like a bit overwhelming how gorgeous it is. We're not sure what's happening. I think a couple of people's hats are blowing off. Oh, someone's dress is blowing up. We've been here for like a day and we love Sydney.
That's our house over there. That's our house over there.
I forgot that this boat stops at Rose Bay and then goes somewhere else. But obviously on the way it goes from Rose Bay and everyone gets off, and because no one was getting off we were like, oh, we must not be there yet.
We've actually... Sorry, go on.
We basically just missed our stop and now we're going somewhere else.
Sat here for like 10 minutes like, this is really nice.
Yeah.
I thought we were waiting for a boat to leave because no one else was getting off, so I was like, oh, we must not be in dock yet, but we were.
So we're just coming into Rose Bay.
We're going to get off this time.
Nailed it. We got off the boat.
Nailed it.
Oh, what a brilliant day. So we're treating ourselves tonight and we are ordering pizza. We're gonna go for what we know. We're getting a Domino's, but it's very different here. So we're just weighing up our options as to what to get.
I'm not. I know what I'm getting.
Oh, right, okay, sorry, it's just me.
Holy moly, that looks excessive.
No, not that then, okay.
Do you want that? What, instead of a pizza or as well as?
No, not instead of.
As well as?
No, maybe
Either
not.
option's crack, Eddie. Mate, that doesn't look good for you.
What's in it? Let's just see.
Obviously it's going to look good. Oh, I've added it. Fuck it. No, I don't know.
You've added it?
Oh, I've added 3. You can eat what you want. I just want to make that clear to your viewers.
Right, here we go. Wait. Oh, you just stopped scrolling with the fingers.
My feelings. That's it.
No. This little snacky one, look, just mix and match 2 snacks. Spicy.
You can't get a veggie supreme that isn't spicy. That's quite sad, actually. I can just go with a margarita, to be fair.
Yeah, but to be honest, you know, if you just get one that's like a full pizza, like it already is a margarita with just other stuff on top. You could get, I tell you what you could do.
Thank you, in my 30 years. Thank you for clarifying.
Tell you what you could do.
The pizzas are margaritas with more.
Or order a normal pizza. No, order a pizza with your toppings that you want, your impossible one.
Yeah.
Then just move half the toppings over, and then you've got half and half. Oh,
So you want
stop!
olives?
No, stop being so quick.
Okay,
Slowly.
You want olives?
I need to read them all. Okay, so slowly, none of those.
So yeah, none of them.
If I get a garlic-based sauce swirl, do you think that's going to be too much?
No.
It's not like all over the base, is it?
I don't work there.
Mushrooms.
They probably will be everywhere. So I get 4 now, do I?
Well, no, it's a bit of a con really because they include the cheese in the 4 toppings. I think that's a bit tight. Or at least they should just advertise it as 3 toppings. Are you really putting pineapple on that?
Yeah, I like pineapple pizza.
Gross. Capsicum. That's actually peppers.
I hope you watch this back and realise how you behave sometimes.
Great.
Yeah. I'm really glad our pizzas have come and they smell delicious, but something to note, a large pizza here is not the same size as a large pizza in the UK. A lot less expensive, we can see why. Okay, it's 1 o'clock, so I'm going to go wake Josh up.
Hey baby.
Wakey.
What time? Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
Ready, 1, 2, and 3.
Stayed up so late. I applied for jobs though.
Great. What
I got an
kind?
offer in on a bike. I had a look at motorbikes. I had a look at boats. And then I settled on a bicycle.
You want to go for coffee?
Come on then.
What a beautiful day in Rose Bay. Gorgeous. We're trying out a new coffee spot this morning. It's supposed to be really nice. Morning. So I haven't really filmed much the last few days because I feel like they've been really uneventful. I thought I'd film a bit today because there's something a little bit exciting happening. Actually heading off to a job interview, which I wasn't really expecting to find anything quite this quickly. And I also found the job and thought, oh yeah, that's perfect, really want to do that. And then literally since yesterday, I've kind of talked myself out of it. I'm still going to go because it's over at Bondi Junction as well. And I kind of wanted to go over there and check that out. I've left Josh back at the apartment, but he is going to meet me over there. I literally have like 0 clothes that are like suitable for like any kind of job interview. However, because it's like a bit of a sporty fitness thing, I've just put like a nice little set on. Anyway, I'm going to get the bus. I'm just walking to the bus stop now. I just headed over this side just to check I was on the right side. This goes to Edgecliff, so the other side I think is the side that I need to go to Bondi. got a little bit stuck in the bus station. So I got here a bit early. Got me have a croissant. Hopefully I don't end up with pastry all in my teeth. Wish me luck. I was going to try and make you jump.
Hi.
Hi. So I have been really rubbish with filming the last few days. Anyway, we're going to go to a cafe, we're going to have some lunch, take our laptops, get a few bits done. I wanted to show you these shorts. You may or may not be interested in these. So I've always worn these shorts rolled up like this with a little belt. And they've been like a bit of a go-to for me. However, I've seen people recently going around with kind of like longer shorts, and I've been like, oh, that actually looks kind of nice. I don't know if it's like a thing these days to have like a bit longer shorts. So I thought I'm gonna roll these down like this. And I was like, yeah, it's kind of what they're doing. It's kind of how they're wearing them. I might be too short to do it. But yeah, this is my outfit today. Put a little belt on, a little white top. I'm wearing a bra, which I never wear a bra, so that's really fancy. A little necklace. Oh, I was going to put some gold earrings in as well. Little gold earrings. That's my little outfit. So come with us to the little cafe to try and sort our lives out. Go back now.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
We have friends. We made a new friend, he's called Guy. He's not from Derby, I've never met him before in my life. Jokes. I know him from Derby. He's a very, very nice person. He's one of my best mates' little brother, so I've known him a very long time.
Yeah.
But, I just want to say, it's the first time we've actually been with anyone aside from each other the whole time in terms of a social setting, and it was just fucking delectable to actually like talk to someone and kind of think, oh, what we're going to do in the next few weeks. So yeah, Guy,
Really nice.
big up yourself, that was sick.
Yeah. We had such a nice night.
We made a friend. I said we need to know what's going on because we just saw a rat climb a telephone wire and then climb into the tree. So they have tree rats. And then we look up on the wall and there's a dog on the wall. Oh, now the dog's looking at us. So where do we walk? Under the tree rat or under the wall dog? See what happens first. He's not going to jump down, he'll just bark.
You sure?
Hello. Hi, mate. Hello. Oh, so you still bark at me? Watch out, there's a tree rat up there, wall dog. That guy must have thought, what an idiot. So the
Not
guy,
just that guy.
the guy came out who owned the house, right? You think I'm an idiot too? But this guy came out and was like, saw us filming his dog, and we were like, walked off, and he's like, no, you can film, it's alright. I was like, oh, well, I was like, actually, there was a rat. There was a tree rat that we were filming, and he was like, a possum. I was like, oh, maybe there was a possum up there.